In this short video, we will try and understand the Lagrange multiplier test for small q exclusion restrictions. It means suppose we have 5 variables in a regression model and we want to test whether 3 of the variables are jointly statistically significant or not. Then we can use the Lagrange multiplier test. So the steps involved in the Lagrange multiplier test are as follows. So first step is to regress the y variable, the dependent variable, on restricted set of independent variables. So you have the restrictions imposed with respect to beta 3, beta 4 and beta 5. So you are left with only variables x1 and x2. So regress y on x1 and x2, x1 and x2. Okay, and then obtain the residual from this regression. And then in the second step, run the regression of these residuals u tilde on all the explanatory variables, that is x1, x2, so on up to x5. Then this regression is termed as the auxiliary regression. Okay, then in the third step, compute lm is equal to n into ru square. The r squared that you have obtained from the step 2 should be multiplied with the sample size, and then this test statistic is chi-square distributed with small q number of degrees of freedom. Small q is number of restrictions. In above case, small q is equal to 3. Okay, so you can finally test for whether this is statistically significant or not by checking the table or calculating the p-value. If lm is greater than c, then null hypothesis is rejected. Otherwise, we fail to reject the null hypothesis. Thank you.